For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the stars and pondered a profound question. Are we alone in the universe? And among the celestial bodies that have captivated our imaginations, Mars, our nearest planetary neighbour, holds a special place. Today we embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries of Mars and explore the tantalizing evidence that suggests the possibility of life beyond Earth.
Imagine a Mars vastly different from the arid, dusty world we see today. Billions of years ago, evidence suggests liquid water flowed on the Martian surface, carving out riverbeds and pooling into vast lakes. These ancient waterways have left their indelible mark on the planet, visible in the sinuous channels and sedimentary deposits photographed by our robotic emissaries. Where there was water, there could have been life.
The search for water, the elixir of life, leads us to the Martian poles. Here, beneath a veneer of dust, lie vast ice caps, frozen reservoirs of water and other volatiles. The composition of these polar caps, studied by orbiting spacecraft, suggests a history of climate change on Mars with periods of greater warmth and water activity. In the search for life beyond Earth, scientists look for telltale signs, chemical fingerprints that might betray the presence of living organisms. One such potential biosignature is methane, a gas often produced by biological processes. And on Mars, we've detected whiffs of methane, tantalizing hints that life might exist or might have existed in the Martian past. Is it geological in origin, or could it be a sign of microbial life lurking beneath the Martian surface?
Imagine the excitement of finding the fundamental building blocks of life on another planet. That's precisely what happened when our robotic explorers discovered organic molecules on Mars. These carbon-containing molecules, essential for life as we know it, suggest that Mars might have once harbored the conditions necessary for life to arise. The presence of organic molecules doesn't necessarily prove the existence of life, but it does strengthen the case for Mars as a potentially habitable world.
In 2020, NASA's Perseverance rover successfully touched down on the surface of Mars, embarking on a groundbreaking mission to search for signs of ancient microbial life. Equipped with a suite of sophisticated scientific instruments, Perseverance is exploring Jezero Crater, a site that was once a vast lakebed billions of years ago. The rover is drilling into the Martian surface with precision, collecting rock and soil samples that will be returned to Earth for detailed analysis in the future. Perseverance is also testing innovative technologies that could pave the way for future human missions to Mars, including a device that produces oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, a crucial step for human exploration. The European Space Agency's ExoMars rover, launched in 2022, is on a mission to drill deep beneath the Martian surface, searching for signs of past or present life. Equipped with a powerful drill capable of reaching depths of up to 2 meters, ExoMars is targeting areas where ancient life might have found refuge from the harsh conditions on the surface. The ExoMars mission is a testament to the international collaboration that drives our exploration of the cosmos. Imagine holding a piece of Mars in your hands, a tangible sample from another world, a fragment of the red planet. That's the goal of the Mars Sample Return Mission, a joint effort between NASA and the European Space Agency, working together. This ambitious endeavor aims to retrieve the samples collected by the Perseverance rover and bring them back to Earth for detailed and comprehensive analysis. The Mars Sample Return Mission represents a giant leap forward in our quest to understand Mars and the potential for life beyond Earth, expanding our horizons.
While the search for life on Mars is filled with hope and excitement, it's important to remember that Mars is, well, a harsh and unforgiving world. The Martian atmosphere is thin, offering little protection from harmful radiation from the sun. And the lack of a global magnetic field leaves the planet vulnerable to solar flares and other cosmic events.
As we explore Mars and search for signs of life, we must be careful not to contaminate the planet with Earth-based microorganisms. Planetary protection is crucial to ensure that any life we find on Mars is truly Martian and not the result of contamination from Earth. Spacecraft are rigorously sterilized before launch, and strict protocols are in place to minimize the risk of contamination during missions.
The search for life beyond Earth raises a fundamental question: what is life? Defining life is surprisingly difficult, as there is no single characteristic that defines all living organisms. Scientists often use a set of criteria, such as the ability to reproduce, grow, and adapt to the environment.
If life does exist on Mars, it's likely to be microbial in nature. Microorganisms are incredibly adaptable and can survive in extreme environments, making them prime candidates for life on other planets. The search for Martian microbes, whether extinct or extant, is a top priority in the field of astrobiology. While the surface of Mars is a harsh and unforgiving place, the Martian underground might offer a more hospitable environment for life. Scientists believe that liquid water might exist in subsurface aquifers, protected from the radiation and extreme temperatures of the surface. The exploration of the Martian underground is a tantalizing frontier in the search for extraterrestrial life. The concept of panspermia, the idea that life can be transported between planets, adds another layer of intrigue to the search for life on Mars. Some scientists hypothesize that life might have originated elsewhere in the solar system, perhaps on early Mars or even beyond, and then been carried to Earth by meteorites.
The search for life on Mars is a journey of discovery, filled with endless possibilities, a testament to human curiosity and our innate desire to understand our place in the vast universe. While we have yet to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, the evidence we've gathered so far suggests that Mars is a planet with a rich and complex history waiting to be uncovered. The search for life on Mars continues, driven by human curiosity and the prospect of uncovering answers to fundamental questions about our place in the universe and beyond.